Hey folks, I learned something cool this week. I wanted to share that these cold cooked potatoes are healthier than starting with raw ones. And it has something to do with this process transforming the starch into a resistant starch. So it's a different kind of carb. It's not digested right away, and it passes through your gut and acts as a prebiotic. So I had been boiling potatoes before when I do Indian food. I love the idea of that you can boil these potatoes whenever you're doing something else in the kitchen. It's really hands off. So they only take about 10 minutes when you bring a pot of water to a boil. In this case, I did 4 russet potatoes and gave them plenty of time to just cool on the counter. And now they're just going to go in the fridge overnight. And they're really easy to peel when they're cold. And this is when the magic happens, that your body doesn't digest it like a normal carb, and instead it kind of travels through your gut and feeds good bacteria. So it's kind of acts as a natural prebiotic that helps with digestion. So you could simply just reheat them, toss them in a little olive oil with a fresh herb that you might have on hand. You could also just slice these, not quarter these, put them in a potato casserole. I have shredded them before and made them into hash brown waffles. So there's a lot of things you could do with cold cooked potatoes. Here's the one with just simple tossed in parsley and salt and pepper, just reheating them. Or you could take it a step further and make home fries for breakfast. So check out cold potatoes.